Helicopter Island is a simple island. The unspoiled beaches and sea are not beautiful. Book your tour A and C as these are the best tour in El Nido. We were picked up at the hotel and also provided with great food during lunch. Today and number 39, S itinerary didn't and number 39, T disappoint us. On the contrary, it made people forget to return. The same fleet, same as yesterday in number 39, S tour A, took us to Matinloc Shrine. The morning sun is projected here, and the beauty is drunk. And the point is that only our ship first arrives here, taking pictures without crowding people. There are 5 to 6 people on the island near noon. The next few hidden beaches are also great, and finally the Helicopter Island beach swimming is empty to finish. We can only say that we are too lucky to meet this fleet, and we will arrange it too. Hidden Beach is very beautiful and suitable for taking photos. Fortunately, the tour guide and boat service are good, professional, and everyone's safety chef is also good. Yeah, the water on the boat may be sensitive to the stomach. The driver went to the hotel at 8:05 in the morning and asked the counter directly. The counter didn't have to wait in the hall, but did not expect to arrive so early. He told the driver that he was not ready yet. He said that he would come over half an hour. People are very good. The boat is also very good to eat. There are fish and meat, seafood, shrimp and crab, better than the food and service of other companies that provide island hopping, and it is about 400 pesos cheaper from Cagayan. The tour was great, the sites and tour guides themselves. Incredibly friendly, funny, welcoming and informative. Not to mention, the lunch they prepared to us alone was worth the price, a meal I would have expected at a fancy Filipino restaurant. Perfect food, tour guide, islands and many more. The tour guides and the staff on board are very friendly. Each of the fixed point stays is abundant. The best thing is that the number of visitors to a boat is 10, and the uncongested space on board allows people to feel more relaxed and enjoyable. The sand here is so fine and the sea is amazing. Besides the clear waters near the coast, the sea is deep blue and green, and the fish can be easily seen from the sea. It is very beautiful. This tour is highly recommended. Fun way to meet people and to see this island. We are very satisfied with the tour. They are partnered with very entertaining and knowledgeable tour guides, good food. Everything was on time. Plus the cost at Cagayan is the cheapest of them all, highly recommended. Good place, but you have to pick the small or big lagoon. And there is additional fees, so bring cash with you because they tell you when you arrive,